In this class, we are to look at HTML meta tags. So remember, we are still here at Palm Hopes Foundation Elite Schools, and we are making computing easier with your friend Ahebwa Martin. This is my number and this is my email address. So let's continue. HTML meta tags. What are HTML meta tags? So HTML lets you specify metadata. Lets you specify metadata, additional important information about a document in a variety of ways. The meta elements can be used to include name, value pairs describing properties of the element document, such as author, expiry date, a list of keywords, document author, etc. So the meta tag is used to provide such additional information. This tag is an empty element and so does not have a closing tag, but it carries information within its attributes. So let's continue. You can include one or more meta tags in your document based on what information you want to keep in your document, but in general, meta tags do not impact physical appearance of the document. So from appearance point of view, it does not matter if you include them or not. So that is HTML meta tags. The importance is to add on to provide additional information about your website. So let's continue. We are adding meta tags to your document. Adding meta tags to your document. So you can add metadata to your web page by placing meta tags inside the header of the document, which is represented by head and head tags. So head opening, head closing tags here. A meta tag can have the following attributes in addition to core attributes. So let's see the attributes of the attribute and the description of a meta tag. So let's continue and see. Name. So what is name? Name could be the attribute. Then what is the description of the name? We are saying that name of the property can be anything. Examples include keywords, description, author, revised, generator, etc. Then we have also content, specifies the properties of the value, value, so the content. Then we have a scheme. What does the scheme mean in a meta tag? So we are saying that scheme specifies a scheme to interpret the properties value as declared in the content attribute. Then we continue to have the HTTP equiv used for HTTP response message headers. For example, HTTP equiv can be used to refresh the page or to set a cookie value. Values include content type, expires, refresh, and set cookies. So if we continue here, we have, so these ones are the attributes used in the meta tags and their description or what they mean. Then we are having specifying keywords. Specifying keywords. You can use meta tag to specify important keywords related to the document and 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 later. So you can use meta tag to specify important keywords related to the document, and later these keywords are used by the search engines while indexing your web page for searching purposes. So specifying keywords. So example, for example, let us see the example here. Let us see an example here. So we are having this here. So let us put this one into our code. So I copy it. I open up a text editor, that is Notepad plus. So I create a new file and I paste there my copied code. Then I save it as meta. I'm going to save it as meta, the file name as meta in desktop and in the folder website meta.html. Then I save. So after saving, I think you can see meta name, keywords, content, this one. Then meta name, description, content, this one. So this is what we have been describing here, the name and the description, what it means here. So these are what we have been describing here. So the meaning and the description of them in the meta tag. So this one, name, content, scheme, HTTP equiv. So what they mean. So and how they are now being used, we are having this one here. We are having it. We are having here. We are having our an example specifying keywords here. Now we are having it here. Let me copy this and I paste it here. Then that is paragraph. Then I close here the body, close the body, and at the same time I close HTML. So we save changes. So we said that this one should be written in small letters. So I save changes. So now this is it. Then meta, name, keywords, content, and this one. So if I go on, let me see here. Let me scroll down. So we want to see this will produce something of this sort. So let us also run our page. Let us also run our file. It is meta.html. Meta.html. So meta.html. If I come here, meta.html. So if I double click to open it, so we get the same results. Hello HTML5. So I think you have got it. You have got it. So we continue. We continue the importance. Then we have document description. The other time we have been specifying, we have been on document specification here, document description. Now let us go to, this was specifying keywords. Now document description. You can use meta tag to give a short description about the document. This again can be used by various search engines while indexing your web page for searching purposes. An example, we have it here. An example, we have it here. So now if I highlight this, if I select this, I copy it, copy the code, and then I bring it to this one, this, and I save changes. If I come here and I refresh here, now I get the same, but now I have added the description. I have added the description, meaning that content we are having is learning about meta tags. We are learning about meta tags. Remember here we are saying that the name of this is description. We are describing learning, we are describing the meta tags and also learning about meta tags, that is the content. So here we are having the name keywords used in meta tags, that is HTML meta tags and metadata. So here, that is keywords content. Then let's continue. Let us continue here. Document revision date. Document revision date. You can use meta tag. You can use meta tag to give information about when last time the document was updated. This information can be used by various web browsers while refreshing your page. So let's continue and see it. Let us continue and see it. So I can highlight it. Let me select from here. So I copy this. And I bring it here. So head, I remove this like this. So I save. So we also added revised. So it is here. Content is here, and we just revised it on this date, 7th, 3rd of July 2014. So let's continue. Let's continue. Hello HTML version 5. So if you refresh, you again get the news. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching.